So I just want to talk about canvas panels or canvas boards. They are, in my opinion, like the best surface to do mixed media and painting on. What I love about them for mixed media is that when you're doing a lot of collage, which you do if you're a mixed media artist, it's because it's such a firm surface, it makes adhering like difficult pieces, scrapbook paper, thicker pieces of cardboard, things that need a little muscle, makes it so easy to have this firm board to do your art on. Because if you're using a pre-stretched canvas, it's really squishy and you can't apply the pressure that you often need to in order to get all of your collage layers like adhered firmly. And that goes for under layers, but it also goes for like any little doodads or little punches that you can put on top too. It's really handy to be able to like apply pressure, and you can't do that if you're working on canvas. The other thing that I love about canvas panels is that they all come in, well, they come in a lot of sizes. That's a huge plus as well. Like from like little teeny bitty to like huge, but also when it goes to framing, and I get this question all the time, if you buy one that's in a standard size, you can just pop it in any pre-made frame. Okay, just pop out the glass. It goes in lieu of the glass. And then you can just put your canvas panel right in there. Like, how awesome is that? So when you're using a regular pre-stretched canvas, again, you just don't even have that option to like run to your local Michael's or Target and like grab a regular frame and put your thing, be done in like 5 minutes. You don't have that option with regular canvas. So it's also so great for that. So I highly recommend. The last amazing thing about canvas panels is that they're a fraction of the cost of a regular pre-stretched canvas as well. So like there's really only upsides. I highly recommend. I really, really do.